All right, good afternoon. So I'm down here in the grow room working right now on the hydroponics. So it's been a while since I've showed you any more detail of what I do with the seed starter. So I thought this week maybe I'd go over that. So last week I had started 6 cups, net cups here. I've got 3 green salad bowl lettuce and 3 bok choy. This week I'm going to thin these and remove the tape. I had this tape on to keep too much light from getting into the water this week. But I'm going to remove the tape and put 6 more cups in here and plant. So then be another week before these move out into the grow out rack. So let's get started with thinning. I simply just use a tweezers that I have here for the use of the hydroponics. So this is bok choy. Basically just, there's, what do I got growing in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Must be about 6 plants growing in there. So I'm just gonna take and start picking out ones that aren't as nice, leaving one nice plant to grow out. So yep, that one was growing pretty close to the surface of the rock wool, so I don't like that one. And let's see, this one. All right, so leave one plant there to grow out, so that one's thinned. So basically we just continue on down the line. I do this a little bit faster when I'm not on video, but you know, because I'll pick out, well, they're right there. I picked out 4 of them just in that one clump, leaving one. So that one's done. But I just quickly go through trying to assess what looks to be the best plant, which one is going to grow out the nicest, leave that one and get rid of the rest. So bok choy is done. I'll do the same thing here for the lettuce quickly. Now sometimes there'll be another seed that'll germinate, or I'll miss one. So sometimes the second week I'll have to thin out additionally, but that's alright. Get the majority of them out of there. When I plant, as you'll see here in a bit, I just put a bunch of seeds in. I don't worry too badly about how many I have. I just want to get some germinated in there and basically ensure that I'm going to have germination. So, alright, thinning is done for the week. So I'll just take these and they'll go out to the compost. Alright, next. So I'm going to pull this tape off. And again, this was just here to help keep the light from going down into the water so much while I only had half of the tray full. So I've got this little tub here that I've had rock wool soaking in. I've got, I don't know, about a half a gallon of water in this tub. I threw the 6 rock wool in there this morning, and then I put them into the net cups, and I've just left them set in here and soak all day while we've been gone. So I'll just simply take these. Now I don't want to shake out all the water, but I just kind of shake them a little bit to get a lot of the excess off. The rock wool will stay moist, but I don't I don't want to spill water and drip water all over the place. So all right, next. So I use a simple toothpick, and I just go through and make sure that the hole in the center of the rock-wool cube is open. And then I take and just simply stick the toothpick in to one of the rock wools. Next, I'm going to start with kale. So we're going to plant 3 net pots full with kale. This is some dwarf blue curled vates kale that I got from Burpee. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply pour some of the seeds out of my hand, and then I'll set the rest of the seed pack down, and I'm just going to take, and I don't know how many seeds are in there. I kind of count them usually as I drop them in. Drop in 5 or 6, something like that. Yeah, I think I got 6 or 7. Now there's a couple of them that are up on the edge of the rock wool that I didn't get down into the hole, so I just use the toothpick to set those down in that hole. And that one's done. And I'll do the same for the other 2. I think there's 6 or 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7. All right. So then with the extra seeds in my hand, I'll just carefully scoop them back up. And what I do is I just fold over the top of the seed packet. And then from there, I've just got some small zipper bags. I'll stick that in there. Keep it for next time. So I set that aside. Let's see, I've got a couple of kale seeds I need to move here to get those in. There we go. So the kale's done. Next, we're going to plant some red salad bowl this week. And again, this is red salad bowl lettuce. Got it from Burpee. So these, again, I'm just going to dump the little lettuce seeds out of my hand. Set the seed packet down. Now these are harder to drop in by themselves, so toothpick, the end has been moistened by it setting in the rock wool. So I'll just take it and pick up some seeds on the end. I don't know how well you can see that. Then pick up some seeds on the end of the toothpick, and I'll drop those down in the hole and just kind of rub the toothpick on the sides to take them all off, and go ahead and repeat for the other. Okay. Once again, I'll take the extra seeds and put them back in the package, fold it over, and put it in a bag for use of next time. I'm done with the toothpick. There. Now all these are planted. I have updated my, I've got a chart, and I do have that updated with what I've planted and where I've planted it. So now at this point, this is again a flood and drain system, so there is a pump on a timer that will automatically flood this tote with water. Watering these, the rock wool will soak up that water and hold it, and then the water will drain back down, leaving just the rock wool cubes moist. So that's on its timer. I'm going to put the light back down. It's on chains, and I've got S hooks that that hold the light up while I'm working. So I'll put that back down just like that, and I'm going to shut off the light, put it back onto its automatic setting on the timer. There we go. Seeds have been planted for the week. I've taken a look here at the grow out rack just to make sure that all of the lights are still in the proper position. It looks like I do need to raise these a little bit just to get them up. They're getting pretty close. The plants are getting pretty close to the lights, so I'll raise those up. These down here look good. We do need to start harvesting lettuce and eating lettuce, so I will definitely let Samantha know of that. There's kale and bok choy back there that need to be used as well. Bottom rack, as I said last week, is clean and ready to go, full of water. It's waiting for the ones that we just thinned. So that's the hydroponics update for the week. So hope you enjoyed. Take care. We'll talk to you later.